The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Z Flip 7 are Samsung's biggest innovations of the year, and they have been officially confirmed. The new titanium hinge, which extends the life of a foldable phone, will make the Z Fold 7 the thinnest, lightest, and most robust foldable phone ever. A step up from the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it will also include Samsung's greatest ultra camera. In real life, the Galaxy Z Fold 7's thinness is showcased in the official marketing materials, with jagged corners giving the Field an even more upscale appearance. The Galaxy Z Fold 7, which has more AI than you can currently fathom, is the official name confirmation. In order to enhance image and video performance, Samsung has also announced that the Fold 7 will have a new Galaxy AI photo engine that pushes the image sensor to its limit. It is anticipated that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 would be the first devices to receive this significant update, featuring a UI 8 based on Android 16. Samsung is rumored to provide a genetic battery AI optimization with One UI 8, which could enhance the battery compared to the previous generation in addition to the efficiency benefits of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, even though these foldable devices don't provide a significant battery upgrade. Additionally, Samsung will unveil its brand new Galaxy Watch 8 series, which includes the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025, Galaxy Watch 8, and Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. In addition to the rotating bezel, the Classic model includes a somewhat thicker bezel. It is rumored that Samsung will finally reveal the first glimpse of their tri-folding Galaxy smartphone at the Fold 7 unpacking event. The concept has been in development for years. The Galaxy Z Fold 7's official teaser image demonstrates that it is incredibly tiny in real life and looks completely crazy. Although it is not the thinnest foldable phone on the market, it is nevertheless quite near to the point where the difference will be insignificant in real-world situations. It's thrilling to see Samsung's top ultra camera and the new Galaxy AI photo engine together for the first time. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.